we're going to remove this big mirror from this Sierra. But first, let's get the door panel. So we've got this brand new, which I'm sure it's been out for a few years now. It is the big boy Sierra. And we're taking this door panel off. How big this thing is. Should be pretty easy though. I'm sure there's a bolt under here. And I already see a bolt there and a bolt there. Let's get them out and see if this is how we get it off. So using this, I got up under here, pull this little rubber off, unveiling 7 mils. So let's get them out and see what happens. Now with every clip, it sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. It's just a type of plastic. So you got to pull this up over. You got to pull the door panel upward because this little groove right here, this guy where my fingers are, this whole ledge right here tucks in that. So you got one more. This is actually, let's use our knee as support. Squeeze and pull outward. Come on. 2 hands. Alright, so I used thumb to push down while I pulled out the cable. Actually pretty tight, really tight. You can sort of feel the tension in it. It goes through that little plastic, you see. Get that out of the way. And now let's unlock that big puppy. Okay, so with the door panel on my foot over there, see it? I turned the whole door panel over, and this thing's actually really big for no apparent purpose at all. Other than the fact that it swings. So you pull this back and you squeeze this over to release this. And you're gonna fight this. That's what you're gonna do. I'm sure it'll go right in, no problem. But, you see? Actually locks into place. Yeah. Have fun trying to get this thing out. And wow, that's because I already took it out once before. So there you have the big door panel out. Big cover. Revealing 4 gigantic 12 mils. What are these? 13, 14 maybe? For what? Let's go take them off. See what happens. They're 13 mil. All 4 of them. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely them. Let's take them out and see what happens. We have to unplug this safety clip, and I'm sure it's going to fall out toward the ground. So let's get them off. So with reinforcements first, to crack them, we're going to put it on the drill and see what happens. Let's get them out. I'm going to use both hands because I don't want these things to fall on the floor or in the door. Yep, that's it. Okay, so the only thing holding it in place, other than the big studs, if you unclip this, I'm betting it's going to fall onto the floor. So let's not do that. So let's get this up out of our hands and see what happens. Sheesh. Yeah, that big clip is what held it in place. Look at that. So you have red, and you have to, look at this. Everything else is oversized except for the tiny clip that holds this plug in place. You like that? Thanks, GMC. So there she goes. Wherever all this stuff is. So we're gonna see if we're gonna find these things online. So let's put it back. With both hands, because it's gigantic and ginormous, you can't possibly mess this up. Make sure you push the safety head back in. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, start them by hand so you don't fall. Share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.